This is how you clean your wash arms of a commercial dish machine. This process is going to show how to remove the wash arm. We are going to grab one of the lock pins, quarter turn to the right, grab the other one, quarter turn to the right as well. That will release the wash arm. A lot of times I like to take the wash arm with this end cap, as you see here, and place right into the rail. Slowly remove the end cap. Find a toothpick or anything to help get your rinse jets, your wash arm jets clean, and do so on the other side. When done, make sure that the bearing is spinning nice and freely. If not, run it underwater. You place the end cap back. Make sure that you snug up the end cap onto the wash arm. Place back into the housing. Turn the lock pins, quarter turn, back to the right. They are spring loaded. Pull up, and then you've just cleaned your wash arm. Remember, what you see on the bottom, you see on the top as well. If you have any further questions about commercial dish machine maintenance, Estate Cleaning Solutions provide commercial dish machine leasing and maintenance, as well as any helpline of emergency issues that may come up. Visit www.stateindustrial.com to learn more.